Okay, we're here at the east end of the link. The light is about 48 inches high. Got it on my little floating target. And right out there is the middle point, that little point right there. And now we're at the midpoint, and the flashlight here is at 48 inches. I'm measuring off my little 3/8 inch thick float, just like I did before. The other light is out there. You can just see a white speck right there. And now I gotta shoot to out yonder, so right there, right about, where's my stick there, right about there or so. And here we are at the east end, or the west end, I'm sorry, here we are at the west end, and I got the theodolite set up just like 1/4 inch under 48 inches, still using the same styrofoam flat thin float like before. And our lights are out here, and you can't really see them because of the fog, which did not ask me to show up. It asked me if I wanted it to show up. And of course it has to rain, so the hat's trying to keep that dry. I got an umbrella. But look over there, there's a tree, and the tree is raining big drops on the lake. Whereas the lake gets little drops. It'd be kind of pretty out here if it wasn't so ugly. Okay, the rain let up a bit. With the theodolite set at like 48 inches minus about a 1/4 inch or so, the two lights both appeared below straight and level, but the farther one appeared a lot more below. I don't think I got videos of that because it was pouring down rain and I was holding the umbrella and trying to take pictures, but I did get pictures, so hopefully I showed those to you. Now I've raised the theodolite up to so like 6 feet or something, whatever. What I just I'll insert a picture. Anyway, yeah, I had to raise it up to like 6 something feet in order to line up the two lights. So see, I've raised my observer height to where those two 48-inch high lights are about lined up. The farther one is actually still a little bit lower, so I really, to make it truly lined up, I would need to raise the camera or the theodolite a little bit more. But I already had to raise it over 6 feet. 6 point something feet. I don't remember what it was exactly. So there you have it. You can almost see him on my lousy cell phone camera zoom now. Okay, yeah, so I set that little, it's a little reflector which the theodolite measures distance to. And there's looking through the telescope at the reflector. and it measured Z minus 6.4 feet. So I am 6.4 feet above the surface of the water, and I am lined up with those two lights that are both 4 feet above the surface of the water. Okay, we are back at the midpoint, verifying that the flashlight is still at 48 inches, still on my little float thing, and still going too. Okay, we are back at the west end light, and I've got my float and my yardstick, and I'm just gonna make sure we're, oops, I got my yardstick upside down. Okay, put it on my float and make sure we are still right about 48 inches high. Yep, it's all the, they hadn't lost any height, so that means the test wasn't at least thwarted by changing heights in the lights. It's kind of a moody day out there. Look how it's like glass. I mean, I'll do a self-portrait. See, that's my shadow. Hi. This is my phone. I mean, it's like glassy calm out here. So this, all these apparent clouds here, it's just reflections from up there. It's beautiful. It's still raining a little, but